Hey everyone, welcome back to Level Up with Buddy, the podcast where we explore study hacks, productivity tips, and personal growth, one small experiment at a time. Today, I'm sharing what happened when I tried the Pomodoro technique for one whole week. If you're not familiar with the Pomodoro technique, it's a time management method where you work for 25 minutes, then take a short 5-minute break. After 4 of these cycles, you take a longer break, like 15 to 30 minutes. It's simple, but powerful. The idea is to work in focused bursts without distractions and reward yourself with short breaks. My first 2 days? Honestly, it felt strange. I set a timer, sat down to study, and boom, my brain said, let's check Instagram, or what's for dinner. But the magic of the Pomodoro timer is that it creates urgency. I began telling myself, just focus for 25 minutes. That's it. By day 2, I started resisting distractions better. Midweek was where things shifted. I found myself entering a flow state, getting real work done in short bursts. What helped even more? The breaks. Instead of scrolling on my phone, I stretched, took deep breaths, or drank water. These tiny resets made the next session smoother. My focus improved, and so did the quality of what I was doing. On day 6, I made a mistake. I was behind on an assignment, so I skipped the breaks to save time. Bad move. I got tired quickly, made silly mistakes, and had to redo some work. It hit me, those breaks are not wasted time, they're fuel. Rest is part of productivity, not the opposite of it. So after a week with the Pomodoro technique, here's what I learned. 1. Focus is a muscle, Pomodoro helps train it. 2. Short breaks are powerful when used wisely. 3. It's not about working longer, but smarter. Would I keep using it? Absolutely, especially during study sessions, writing, or when I'm low on motivation. If you've been struggling to stay focused, I highly recommend giving the Pomodoro technique a try. Even just for a few days, you might be surprised at how much you get done. And if you've already tried it, I'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment on this episode or message me on socials. Don't forget to subscribe to Level Up with Buddy for more productivity experiments and real-life growth tips. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next episode.
And I just want to add, if you're like me and tend to procrastinate or feel overwhelmed with big tasks, this method gives you structure without pressure. That 25-minute window feels achievable, even when you're not in the mood. Personally, I'm planning to try it this week for editing my notes and working on a group project. I'll even add a twist. During the breaks, I'm going to do quick workouts or mindfulness activities. Let's see how that changes the game. Also, productivity isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Some days will be messy, and that's okay. But tools like Pomodoro can help us show up consistently, and that's where the real growth happens. If you want to join me, challenge yourself to do just 4 Pomodoros a day for the next 3 days. Let's call it the Buddy Sprint, and share your results on our Level Up with Buddy channel comments. We'll feature some of your stories in the next episode. Until then, stay focused, be kind to yourself, and remember, every small step is a level up. Catch you next time on Level Up with Buddy.